Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. All right, we got a UNICE wig. We've got a UNICE melting band, real cute, like this one. Baby hair brushes and wig caps. Wig comes like so. Got some bye-bye knot stickers, like double back tape. You just stick them right on your hairline and stick the wig to it and you're good to go. But this is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. It's 24 inches and it's silky straight. All right, so here is a close-up on the lace. The lace is beautiful. It's already combed back. Love it. It's cut. The knots are bleached. It's pretty plucked. Love this. It's silky straight, so look at her move. So let's get into the inside. It is 7x5, so 7 inches left to right, 5 inches deep. We have an adjustable elastic band. The wig is adjustable. It has a nice fit to the head with these C shapes on the ears for a comfortable fit. And then we also have a comb in the very back as well. So freaking good. Look how she moves when I snatch her up. Yes. I'm gonna put some makeup on. Oh my gosh. My daughter used the hot comb last. It is like, can you see it? It's smoking. Anyway, there's a whole bunch of hair product on there that's burning off. Probably some hair too. Put some foundation on the inside of the lace. Then I'm gonna go ahead and style this. I think I'm gonna deep wave hers. We'll see how she looks silky straight in the middle part, and then I'm going to put some deep waves in it and see how that holds up. Let's go ahead and get started. She is beautiful. Look at this. Stunning. All right, you guys, so how freaking quick was that? Yes, And the lace is still glueless, y'all. Hold on, where's my little handy dandy comb? It's still glueless. This wig is so easy and beginner friendly. The lace melted so well. Look, I just put a couple baby hairs in there and she was ready to go. I just ran the hot comb through it just a couple of times and she looks so freaking good. I'm gonna take my deep waver though, and I'm going to deep wave this hair off camera real quick so I can show you guys another hairstyle. But it just turned out so freaking good. Look at it. Look how this hair moves. Look how this hair moves. It's so beautiful. It's so freaking beautiful. And it's glueless. And it's glueless. Oh, I don't know. I just been loving straight hair lately. I have been a straight, bone straight hair girly. And I love it. I'm loving every minute of it. But okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you guys the deep wave. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and crimped it. Doesn't it look so beautiful? It is so beautiful. It crimped so well. Oh my gosh, and look, it still has so much movement and body. I did put a tiny bit of black castor oil, and then I just used my deep waver to wave it, and she turned out fabulous. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig, direct link, discount code, all of that good stuff. Thank you again, UNICE, for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.